Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Stremio on your iOS. Right, in order to make Stremio web show on your home screen for easy access for all the time, you will need to install the PWA. In order to this, open Stremio web, which you can see here over my screen. Right, with the Safari browser, this is the only browser that supports PWA, so make sure you open it in the Safari browser. Now let's open Stremio web from your device home screen. If you are using iPhone or iPad device, you will probably notice the streaming services not available warning. Simply press don't show again, as the article is for, or as you can see here on the screen, is for Stremio web without the server attached. Now let's log in by pressing the button, which you can see here on the top right. Right, and once you're here, just go and click on add to home screen, and once you're here, you have to go and click on the three dots. After you're logged in, go to the settings page, right? And as you can see here, so you can just log in into your account, and once you do this, you have to go to your settings, and once you're here, enter the settings, you have to go to the player section. Now scroll down to the play in external player setting. Right, so here you have to make sure you have to just go and make sure that this is change the value from disable to one of the supported iOS video player VLC and outplayed. After making the selection, you should be able to ensure that the video player that you choose is installed on your device. That's it. You should now be able to use a Stremio web on your iPhone or iPad device. As mentioned at the start of the article, with this method, torrent stream will still not work, but all the other streamer will be open with an external video player. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.